weeks ago I installed this wheelie bar I made out of a bike rack onto my NOS pocket bike. For those who are new, the NOS pocket bike got its name from my first YouTube video 10 years ago titled NOS Pocket Bike. This was my first pocket bike and it was themed after my favorite drink back then, NOS energy drinks. And I have to say, I've been enjoying the heck out of riding wheelies with the new setup on the back. I even held a wheelie past a quarter mile in my last video. But before I basically wrap this little wheelie bar series up, there's one more thing I always wanted to try. And that's a simple wheel swap to try and avoid the wheelies but instead launch the bike properly. Since you guys have been so supportive lately, I want everyone to take a guess at how many pieces of candy corn are in this jar and give the video a thumbs up for your chance to win this brand new racing helmet. I'll pick the closest guesser and send it to you for free.
NOS pocket bike guy!
Oh, you again? I already did your quarter-mile wheelie challenge.
Yeah, but where's that mile-long video? Anyways, I want to see what that thing can do, bro.
What do you got under the hood of that?
More than you can afford. Turbo SAAB.
Smoke.
Dude, I almost had you.
You never had me.
You never had your car.